want to tell you something.
Yeah, please tell me. Good
Ma'am, in the
morning.
worksheet you
Mm-hmm.
sent the revision worksheet.
Hmm.
That in that my sums are changed. Mean wrong are the wrong sum because
Okay.
I did it in hurry. So
Okay. So do one thing. You can resend if you understood the concept. Now you
yes, ma'am.
understood how to do. You can resend it to me again.
Ma'am, but it is coming in missing. If I unsubmit, it will come in missing.
It will come in missing.
Yes, and I can
Um,
send it, but it will come in missing. So it's okay.
it's okay if it is coming in missing. Otherwise, you send me in the mail. I'll see to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh, Children, as you know that we had completed the almost the chapter, this tick tick tick, but there are few topics which I want that you should know. That first is the conversion of time, right? If somebody tell you in the days how you will convert the days into the hours, if somebody tell you the time in the minutes and telling you to convert into seconds, so I want that you should know that also, conversion of the time, right? Now, everyone, please open your maths notebook and write this question number one in your notebook and write today's date. Convert days into hours. One day, as you all know, equals to 24 hours. Please keep on writing along with me because you will not get extra time for doing the notebook work. Please do along with me. Write it in your notebooks. Rajiv Nakre, turn on your camera, please. Vedant, Jigar Singh, Danya, Manish, Nishwa.
Ma'am, I have cold, so that's why I'm off.
Okay. Please turn on your camera. I request you all and please start writing in your notebooks. Convert days into hours. And you all know one day equal to 24 hours. So if I give you, if I ask that,
And we have to write 1 day is equal to 24 hours.
yes, you need to write. So if I ask that 9 days equals to how many hours, Anna will give me because he's not writing, just looking here and there. Anna, do you have notebook with you, my dear? Okay, you are writing. Very good, excellent then. Anna, can you tell me 9 days equals to how many hours? How you will find out?
Ma'am, we have to plus 24
How
9 times.
many times? 9 times. Okay. Children, this is also good with that you plus 24 9 times, or we
And
have
we
done
can
And
a
we need to
multiply.
multiply.
we can also do
And 24
multiply.
and multiplied by 9.
Either 24 multiplied by 9 or 9 multiplied by 24, you will get the same
And
answer. So you will do
first we can
24
write
multiplied by 9.
first we can write that 1 day is equal to 24 hours and then
Mox,
one
yes,
is
I
6
told you,
hours.
you need to write the way I'm writing on the board.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 160 hours. Ma'am, I was saying that in the
and
other
the
part we
revision
can
book.
first write 1 day is equal to 24 hours.
Yes,
Ma'am,
one
the
day equals to
revision book.
24 hours. You first write. This is
Ma'am,
right. Wait a minute, children. If you speak together, it will be very difficult for the teacher.
I have a question, ma'am.
Vedant, first I will clear Kashvi, then I will clear Mok, then I will come to you.
No, ma'am, we are doing it this notebook because I haven't got.
Yes. Maths notebook. You need to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Kashvi, this
Ma'am,
maths
revision
notebook, not in the revision.
or
No, this is because related with the chapter number 4 tick tick tick. This is not the revision. This you are learning new topic. Always think when you are doing new topic means it will be your maths notebook. When you are doing the repetition of any work means you are doing the revision which you have already done the topic, that will be in the revision notebook. Clear now? Okay, now Moksha, tell me what is your difficulty?
No, ma'am, I understood.
Yeah, this is compulsory
Ma'am, I
to
can
write
see
when you are converting, because you will come to know what we have to do now. Yes, Tej Kumar,
I can say answer.
I can see the answer.
please write in the chat box. Until and unless I'll not call your name, you please write the answers in your chat box. And the child whose name I will call will give me the answer in the class. Yes, and Aradhya? Manya, if you write only 216, your answer will be wrong. What 216? 216 can be anything until and unless you will not write the proper unit along with it. You are converting into the hours, so your answer also should come in the hours. Yes,
Okay,
Aradhya?
ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, you have written the convert days into hours. We have to write one day course 24 hours together.
Yes, together, this here only down. The way my board is not visible to you, Aradhya.
Board is visible.
So the way I have written on the board,
So it
same
is
way.
visible, but it is blurred.
The same way you need to write.
No, ma'am, it is clear. 216 hours. 216 hours.
Yeah, 24 multiplied by 19, whatever is your answer. 24 multiplied by 9, sorry. 216 hours. Write fast. Now I will ask few questions from you. Divit. Divit, 3 days equals to how many hours?
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
My screen is blurred.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, do one thing. We are not doing from here. Wait, I will present you my worksheet. We will do from the
Ma'am,
worksheet.
now
No
it is
problem.
proper. Ma'am, now it is proper.
It's okay. Do if it is visible to you all, do from here. Otherwise, I am sending you the worksheet. We can do in that worksheet. I'm giving you the worksheet in the chat box, or I can paste in the classroom. It will be good. I'm pasting it into the classroom. Assignment 8, with the assignment 8, chapter number 4, math, chapter 4, worksheet number 8.
Ma'am, we have the method of the multiplication. Just write the
Yes, better it you if you will show the method of multiplication also.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you have sent the worksheet.
No, I'm sending. Still working on it. Now, please check your classroom. And are you able to open that worksheet, students? Worksheet number 8 in your mathematics folder, not in the revision folder. Please tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Hello,
all?
ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I am.
Sorry. Wait,
It
student.
is
Excuse me, ma'am,
showing
we are not receiving
conversion
the
of time, then conversion of time.
Wait a minute. You wait a minute. I'm pasting it into the classroom now so that you can able to see it. Okay, now open students. And I'm going to present it here also in my on my desktop.
We got it, ma'am.
You got it, no? Now you refer that worksheet, and I am opening it here also, and I will write and solve the questions here in the worksheet. So please see here also on the desktop. Is my screen visible to you all? Is my worksheet visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Not now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's still visible. Now it's visible to you all? What's
Yes,
written here on the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Convert the following days into hours.
Yes, convert the following days into hours. So I will write here only in the worksheet. You can see here 9 days it's written here, right? So I will do 9 multiplied by 24. What I will get the answer?
Then we can take out the
269.
Yes, you can take out the printer also.
Okay, ma'am.
269.
269. Let me find the answer. 24 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am,
260.
269.
16 hours. HOURS. You can write HOURS or you can write HRS. And it is compulsory to write the unit also. Do the second sum. 16 days. So 16 multiplied by 24. Find the answer and tell me. 16 multiplied by 24. Find the answer and tell me how many hours. Am I audible? I hope to you. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, the answer is 384 hours.
Very good. 384 hours. My screen is visible to you all properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now children, C, D, E, F is for your homework because they are of same type. Now I am moving to the next question. Convert the following into minutes. As you all know that 1 hour equals to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
1 hour equals to 60 minutes. I will write the short form of the minutes.
Ma'am, the
Then-
bees. MIN, no? MIN.
Moksha, Vedant is speaking, no, my dear. Will you like that if I scold you all in the class then? If child is speaking, say me something. Yes, Vedant first, then Moksha, then Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the B question, for 6, yes, in the B question, the answer is 390 hours.
384, I think. 384.
My answer is 390.
Then multiplication is wrong.
Okay, I will.
Check your multiplication. Yes, Moksha. Moksha, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that minute is written in short form MIN, no?
Yes. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Yes.
No, I can share that worksheet.
Yeah, I will show. But I have already sent in the classroom. Will you open that worksheet, my dear? And it is here on my screen also now. Because when I talk to you, I have to switch to your classroom. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 5 hours equals to how many minutes? How you will find out, students? Yes, Anna, you will tell me. Bhavya Sagar, you know how to find the answers? 5 hour equal to how many minutes? 5 multiplied by 60 when you do. Yes or no, students? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
5 multiplied by 60 equals to how many hours? Oh, sorry, equals to how many minutes?
300 minutes.
Right, 300 minutes. Next is these B, C are of same type. So this will be a homework. Now I will do the D1. 7 hours, 15 minutes. Now listen it very, very carefully, children. Question is convert the following into minutes. Means convert the following hours. You can write here the correction. Convert the following hours into minutes. So, which is the hours you only convert minutes? But what if the time is already in minutes? उसके साथ क्या करोगे आप? जो minutes में है already. Jigar Singh, will you try? If the time is given to you in the hours also and in the minutes also.
Yes.
And somebody told you to convert the hours into minutes. For example, 6 hours, 15 minutes. So you will convert the 6 hours into the minutes. What about the 15 minutes then extra?
Then we will count.
We will, yes, Vanya, wait. Tej Kumar, will you try?
Yeah, what, ma'am?
The question which I was showing you, wait, I'll present you. This is the question. Is visible to you, Tej Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
7 hours, 15 minutes is visible to you?
Yes.
So if they are asking that convert the hours into minutes. So you will convert the 7 hours into the minutes by multiplying it with what?
Ma'am, I am multiplying.
Multiplying with what?
Ma'am, with 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
Yes, first you multiply this 7 into 60. Find the answer. Yes, Manya. What will be the answer, Manya?
I can say, please.
I can say
Moksha, you need to wait for your turn, beta.
420.
420 what?
Minutes.
Minutes. And what about the 15 minutes which are already given here?
Ma'am,
आपने तो सिर्फ 7 को कन्वर्ट किया, पर 15 मिनट्स के साथ हम क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, we will add them.
We will add because 15 is already in minutes, so we will not do anything with the 15 minutes.
Ma'am,
We will,
435 minutes.
yes, the answer is 435 minutes. You can write the addition sign here, my dear, because yeah, you will add this and you will write the answer. It is 435 minutes. Are you all writing in your notebook, student? I hope. Children, don't show me thumbs up because when I present the screen, I'll not able to see you all. You have to give me the answer, yes or no.
Yes,
Ane, you are in class, my dear, not in gymnastic class. You are in maths class. So you will write the answer here, 435. What I will write here along with which unit I will write?
minutes.
You can write complete minutes also. You can write MIN also. So if you able to do the A1, you can able to do the B and C. If you able to do the D1, you will able to do the E and F. So that will be your home task.
Can I say something?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, you can show the I'm writing.
Don't write. I have already sent dear beta worksheet. You only do the solution of that questions which I am explaining in the class. Others, all the questions are available in the worksheet. Jigar Singh. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, from the sum you see the us in that sum we have to first get the answer of the 7 hours, then add 15 minutes in it. Right, ma'am?
Yes. First convert the 7 hours into the minutes and then add the minutes. Can I go to the next question now? I hope you all are clear till here. Okay. Now I'm going to present you. Next, third question is, Children, if in your worksheet also the third question is seeing second, then you can change it to third. This is the third question. By mistaken, it was written second. Convert the following into seconds. Now, if you all know that 1 minute equals to how many seconds, students?
60. 60
So,
seconds.
1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Second, the short form is SEC. So 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 7 minutes equals to Bhavya Sakar. How many seconds?
Yes, ma'am.
7 minutes equals to how many seconds? Fine. 60 multiplied by 7 when you do, what is the answer it is coming? Multiplication, do in the notebook. Don't look here and there. Somebody else will not give you the answer. Neva, you know how to do it? Neva, you know how to do
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Which one? I was looking in the worksheet that you sent me.
Third one. Question number third, first sum.
Wait.
Divit, you know?
Ma'am, can I say?
No. I will call the child name. Divit, you know the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
Divit, you know the answer?
Ma'am, which one?
Divit, I am on question number 3, bacha. Convert the following into seconds. 7 minutes, convert them into the seconds.
7 minutes.
If you all know the answer, write in the chat box. I am reading the chat box.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Divit, I am listening you. Bhavya, you're wrong.
Ma'am, I don't know.
7 multiplied by 60 when you do. 7 multiplied by 60, you will get the answer is 420 seconds. Now you understood, Divit?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, till here everyone is clear. Any doubt to any child? Write your name in the chat box so that I can explain you again. If any doubt to any of the child till here. Otherwise, I will proceed to the next then. Manya, you are clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And may I go to washroom?
Neva, Jigar Singh, I am going to start the next thing then.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that how to convert 3 hours in 7 minutes.
3 hours and 7 minutes.
Yes.
Into what?
That convert into minutes.
Then it will be 3 hours and
7 minutes. That
the
is.
question, it's written here in my question.
Yes.
Which one? 3 hours 7 minutes and convert into minutes. So you need to convert the hours into the minutes first. Same way, the way we have done the D1. D की तरह ही है बच्चा.
Ma'am, it means that first 3 multiplied by 24 hours.
24 क्यों? 24 तो आपको hours में थोड़ी convert करना है that you will multiply with the 24. जिस चीज में आपको convert करना है उससे multiply करेंगे ना. 60 से multiply करेंगे क्योंकि 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hours में कितने minutes होते हैं बच्चा?
Ma'am, 3 hours 72.
Yes. How? 1 hour में 60 minutes, 3 hours में 72 minutes.
No. Sorry. I'm
3 times you will add 60, 60, 60, 60, no?
yes.
So instead of adding 3 times 60, you can do the 3 times multiplication with the 60. Answer will be same because
180 minutes.
yes, 180 minutes plus 7 minutes, which is already in minutes. उसको तो change नहीं करना है ना, तो already minutes में है. So it is 187 minutes answer आएगा. Got it, Vishnu?
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Go to the next now. Children, I am doing one sum from each of the topic. Rest will be your homework, which I have already posted in the classroom, the worksheet. Next, I am doing D sum from the question number 3. 13 minutes, 15 seconds. How you will convert it into the seconds. As
Ma'am,
you all know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Then Tej Kumar, 13 minutes equals to how many seconds? Tej Kumar, I hope I am audible to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier you were trying to give me the answer. Now I am giving you a chance and you're not answering me.
Ma'am, I was turning on mic, so I suddenly leave.
Okay, now tell me 13 minutes equals to how many seconds, Tej Kumar? 1 minute में 60 seconds है, means 13 times if you add 60 or if you multiply 13 with the 60 you will get the answer.
Ma'am, 180.
No, I'm not saying 3, I'm saying 13. Find the answer. 60 multiplied by 13 also you will get the same answer, or 13 multiplied by 60 also will be the same answer.
780 seconds.
Yes, you have done
I
in
can
the
say-
notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Manya.
I can
Ma'am,
say the answer.
Ma'am, I can print out.
Yes, you can take the printout also. Yes, Manya, now answer is
Ma'am, 780 seconds.
780
And
plus 15 also you will do, no? Which is already
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
seconds. Yes.
it will
780.
be 795 seconds.
Yes. 13 multiplied by 60 equals to 780 seconds plus 15 seconds, which will be 795 seconds. Till here everyone is clear? Any doubt to any child?
No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, today we can submit this, no? Worksheet.
Yeah, I will edit it. Right now I just put the link. I have not put the timing. I will edit after the class.
Okay.
It will be, you have to submit today only after completing. Completed, students? If you have completed, now open your maths revision notebook. Children, if you have completed, please open your maths revision notebook.
Ma'am, you can show your worksheet.
Yes?
At the D question, I'm writing the question. What is it? That's why.
It's visible now.
Ma'am.
It's visible now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which
Yes.
book?
Maths revision notebook. No, you have only one revision notebook, the long notebook. Which child was asking? Wait, I will start the presentation. My presentation has stopped, I think.
Yes, ma'am, your presentation is stopped. It is come.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, we have to write this in revision or what?
Which one?
This one. Your
This one
presentation.
to maths notebook. No, this we have already done. No, Vishruth. In which notebook we are writing from the beginning? In which notebook we are writing, bacha?
I'm in maths. Now I'm starting with
Maths.
division.
Yeah. This always remember whenever we are doing the topic which you have not learned, which you are doing first time, that will be in your maths notebook. And if you are doing the topic which you are revising, which you have already learned, that will be in your revision notebook. Always remember this. Okay? This topic you are learning first time. This will be in your maths notebook.
Now we are doing revision.
Now we are doing revision. I'll stop the presentation now. So open your revision notebook, students. And I have sent you one worksheet yesterday also regarding the multiplications. So I hope you all have started doing the revision of multiplication. Yes or
I've done
no?
it also. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, I've
Now
done
my
it.
board is, I will check with her. You all are able to see my board clearly?
Yes, ma'am. And now we have to write in the revision notebook.
Yes, Aradhya, bacha. Yes. Write multiplication.
Ma'am, at
Yes.
the textbook, you have not said us to do the page number 50 and 51. We have
Yes, I
not.
have. I have written yesterday, no, 49 to 51 to complete the pages.
Oh, I
Because
think.
the topic we have already covered related to the 12-hour and the 24-hour clock time. Now it is your home task to complete it. If you don't understood any of the question, you can ask me in any class. But at least try to do it by yourself because we have already completed the topic.
Okay, ma'am. What when you are doing? I already done that pages.
Okay.
What you have
Now
done?
I am doing the multiplication. Jigar Singh, which number I will multiply first?
Ma'am, first we will multiply with 6.
What answer will come?
6 threes are. Ma'am, 6 threes are 18.
Start learning tables till 15, 12 to 15. I will ask the tables in the coming classes.
Ma'am,
Kashvi,
ma'am, may I can.
Kashvi,
Ma'am, we have to do the sums that you have written in the revision notebook.
yes, do it in the revision note.
Yes. 923 multiplied by 50.
Yes.
Ma'am, first we will not put 0.
Did I call the, no, first we will not put 0. First we multiply this once
Yes, ma'am.
with the all the numbers, right? Yeah, Kashvi, now we will multiply what? Which number with which number?
6 twos are 12.
And add the
And
13
plus
with
1,
the column.
13.
Next is Divit. Divit, 6 nines are. Tej Kumar, 6 nines are.
54.
Plus 1 is.
55.
Now we put the 0, and children, you know why we are putting 0 here? Because this is, if you are seeing 1, it's if you see 16, right? 16 makes, how you have made the 16? 10 plus 6 is 16. Yes or no?
And we have to put 0 or cross because I have put a cross in the.
My dear, you can put 0 also, cross also, but try to put the 0, and the concept behind putting the 0 is what? I am explaining you that.
And I got the answer.
Because you first multiply all the numbers with the 6. Now you will multiply all the numbers with the 10 because 1 is under the tens place. And if you are multiplying this with the 10, so you write 0 here. Because you are multiplying with the 10 and 0 3s are 0, 0 2s are 0. So we put the 0 here. Now you will multiply with the 1. That is why we are writing 0 here. You are not, you maybe you get confused that why we are putting 0 here. 0 is here because you are actually multiplying this number 923 by 10. And when you multiply any number by the number which is having zeros, you will add the 0, no? Now you multiply with the 1. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, and 1 9s are 9. Got it, students?
Ma'am, in yesterday's worksheet, I
Very good,
put
Dania.
0.
So 6, 7, 14 and put the comma. This will be your answer. Go to the next sum.
Time up, ma'am. It's time up.
Vedant, if we give 1-2 minutes extra, will be any difficulty to any child?
Ma'am, I cannot see your sum.
Now check Suchi.
The second sum.
867 multiply by 54. Now Manya, which number we will multiply first?
And 4.
4 with which number?
7.
Tell me
4
what will be the answer?
28.
So I will write 28 together here.
No, ma'am. 2
Then-
will be carry over on 6.
And 8 will come here. Next will be Viva. Viva, which number I will multiply next?
4 6 are
What will be the answer?
24.
Plus 2. 25, 26. 2 will be carry over, 6 will be here. Next is Vivan Dobaria. What we will multiply next?
We will multiply next. It is 4 8s.
What will be the 4 8s?
4 8s.
If you don't know the tables, how you will do the multiplication, dear?
Then can I say? Yeah. 4 8s. It is 32. 32.
32 plus 2, 34.
Yes, 32.
Now we put the 0 here and then we multiply 5 with all the numbers. 5 7s are? Students, what is 5 7s are?
35.
35. So 3 will be here and the 5 will be here. 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33.
33.
5 8 are 40. 40 plus 3, 43.
40.
Add it now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can put 0 up of row 2 because it is no number. That's why.
Where is no number?
You have written that 4 and then up.
The way I have written here, my dear, I'm not getting you what you are trying to explain me.
He is saying that 4 is coming 5 numbers, so there 3 is.
You can shift it here. You can shift it here. No, 4 is coming 5 numbers. So 1 stands 100,000. This way you can shift it here.
Yeah, and he is saying if we can put up a 0 in 4. He is saying that. Ma'am, above 4 we can put 0.
Above 4, I don't understand what you are telling me, bacha.
Ma'am, in 3, 4, 6, 8, there is no number, so we can put 0.
No need. No. Just add them. 8, 6 plus 5, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 4. Yeah, you can do 0 here. Okay, you are telling this thing.
He was telling that only.
Yes, you can put 0 because nothing is here and only 4 will come when you add it.
Yeah.
I am going to send you the worksheet based on this multiplication also, right? And based on the today's concept which I have already pasted. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Getting to know.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Bye.